Hey, women warriors and grandmas, are you camera shy? No problem at all. With me, you can uncover the step-by-step guide to faceless marketing for your very own online business. So if you're tired of feeling like you need to be some sort of video star to succeed online, I've got news for you. You don't. Stop hiding in excuses. Time you started to earn. Take action right now, and I'll reveal the secret step-by-step proven system that leads you to a profitable business. And your face stays completely off camera. No more excuses, no more hiding. These strategies are turning introverts into six-figure income generators right now as we speak. The only thing holding you back is your procrastination. And I'm here to support you every step of the way. Your earning potential does not depend on your close-up. It depends on your actions. Take the first step today. Are you ready to stop hiding and start profiting? Learn how to discover these faceless marketing secrets by commenting "ready" below.